Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today. Moving into a lateral stretch variation. Sitting tall, reach your left hand to your right leg and reach your right arm up and over to the left. Taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Breathing wide into your right side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Reach your right hand to your left leg and your left arm up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips. Breathing wide into your left side body. Release and return to center. Reach your arms overhead, interlace your fingers, and rotate your palms away. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. Inhale at the top, arms reach overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center. Moving into an eagle pose variation, reach your arms forward. Scoop your right arm under your left. Bend your elbows with the backs of your hands facing each other, or hands to press, fingertips point to the sky. Cross your right leg over your left, gently squeezing your thigh bones together as you continue to lift your ribs up and out of your waist while sending your arm bones forward and up. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Reach your arms forward. Scoop your left arm under your right, bending at your elbows, with the backs of your hands facing each other or hands to press. Fingertips point to the sky. Cross your left leg over your right, squeezing your thigh bones together as you continue sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.